Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about numbers, dates, and time. Can you count from 1 to 20? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now let's do bigger numbers. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We can say 100 or 100. Now 200 or 200ths. We say 200. We don't add an S to numbers. Now let's read these numbers. 120. 235. Now let's do ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. The V in 12 turns into an F, and we remove the E. The 20th. Numbers ending with Y turn into IETH when they are ordinal. 50. The 50th. We use ordinal numbers to classify and give a rank. Who's first, who's second, etc. Do you guys know how to write dates in English? First, we start with the month. For example, we are December the 23rd, 2009. We wrote RD after 23 because we say third when 3 is an ordinal number. Let's read the following dates together. January the 13th, 1999. October the 2nd, 2001. 1887. 1459. We start by reading the two numbers on the left and then the two numbers on the right. We use 2000 starting from 2000. Now it's time to learn about how to tell time. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 10 past 11. It's 9:30. It's 11:45. That's a clock. Take a look. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. If you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!